Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Leos, if you want more clarity in your circumstances, Leos, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this gentle guidance. So let's start with these cards here. We have Two of Wands in reverse, Tower, and Page of Cups in reverse. So in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are seeing a lot of challenging circumstances. You are trying really hard, putting in a lot of efforts, working hard, maybe doing your best, using your skills and talents, and you are someone who is a very dedicated person. So in your work or in your relationship, you work devotedly and honestly, and you do not give up so easily, and you are someone with a strong willpower and determination. But whatever it is, guys, you're in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your personal life with this person you love, you see certain things happening and you don't know the reason for that, and you don't have clarity. So some kind of confusion, you don't know the truth, something is blocking your vision. So the way things are going today, your circumstances unfolding in such a way that you are not clear the reason for things, why it is happening. So maybe it may be this person, they are not telling you certain things, they are not revealing to you certain things. Maybe, guys, maybe they are, they have some fear, or they are not confident enough to tell you the truth, maybe, guys, for some of you. So in your work or in your relationship, there is lack of clarity, so a lot of confusion may be there, and you are also seeing many challenges, and destiny may be the reason the way things are going today, guys, Leos. So inevitable changes are what I see, something giving you more stress and sadness, a lot of pain maybe. So with this person you love, you may have some misunderstanding, arguments, or some kind of fights, quarrels, and you don't know how to resolve this situation, guys. Maybe they are hiding something, they are not telling you the reason for the way they are. Maybe they are fighting with you, arguing with you, and they are not telling you the truth. So they have certain things, they want circumstances to go in a particular way. That is the reason they are not revealing to you, guys, what is the reason. So it is a quite an emotional day for you, Leos, maybe. So this person is not revealing their heart's desire, and you are in the dark. That is what I see. You don't know what is their next move, what they will do. But for some of you, there is a positive change waiting to happen, guys. There is a surprise coming your way. It may be someone you were just wishing you saw. Maybe it may be your friend. So a surprise visitor is coming today, guys, for some of you. So this person may be your common friends. They are here to help you or take you out of this difficult situation, Leos. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. So 5 of Pentacles. So with this card, it just means that you both may have love, a level of understanding, but there are certain things going in a negative way. Maybe you may have something worrying you. Maybe you are sick or this person is sick, or maybe they may have some addiction, some addictive behavior. That may be the reason for some misunderstanding, arguments, or fights in this relationship, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So for your career situation, it's 2 of Pentacles. So with this card, it just means that you are trying to be really flexible, adapt yourself to the changes that are happening. Maybe even in your career, there may be huge changes. You are facing a lot of competition and people trying to grab your opportunities, and you need to be more efficient today, and you're trying to adapt yourself, but you are also getting an important message, guys, today, news or a message coming your way, and it may be something important concerned with your work. So regarding some beginning of a project or something new is happening in your situation, guys, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards, Leos. And thank you for watching, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card for those who chose this card. The first card, it is Sleeping Beauty, Awakening. So with this card, guys, in your circumstances today, maybe you may have someone really close to you, someone truly concerned about your welfare, but they are holding some truth from you. They are not telling you something. It may be something important, something vital in your life's journey, but they are doing it out of love for you. They are concerned about you and they don't want to cause any pain for you. But no matter what, this secret itself is going to take you into some difficult circumstance, guys, but you need not worry because you will be coming out of it successfully. So you just have to have that courage in your heart, and when you come out of this difficult situation, you will have people supporting you, maybe even during the ordeal you are going to face, maybe in your life today. There are some challenging situations, but you need not worry. You will have the people you love with you, and you will see a way out of this difficult circumstance today, guys. And these people will be able to help you and guide you, so you need not worry. And this card just means that you are on the path to some kind of a very greater understanding, something like an awakening. So it may be a spiritual change you are seeing in your heart, or some kind of an emotional change. So that gives much clarity in your thoughts and actions. That is what is coming towards you. So you can be happy for that. And maybe through these circumstances, you are going to get that chance for a better, a clearer mind today, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. So for those who chose this second card, it is commitment. So with this card, guys, the energy is that in our life, in our day-to-day life, we just we just see our circumstances going in such a way, but we should not try to understand it, guys. Maybe we must try to trust the changes happening in our life. So you will be seeing challenges in your personal transformation that is happening right now. So you need not try to create or take the steps needed, control the way things are going, maybe the map of the journey or the terrain of your journey. You just need to take simple steps today. So, however life is unfolding in front of you, you must embrace it with open arms, with that open heartedness, and simply embracing it just like a child with curiosity. So you need not have that fear or desire to bend your life according to your will. That will be an unnecessary battle today, guys. So whatever is unfolding is what is your life's journey, and that divine will is working with your heart, your soul. So whatever is your soul's journey, that is what is unfolding in your physical world today, guys. So you just have to have that trust in yourself and take that simpler steps. Move along in your life step by step, and that divine will is moving you, and the fulfillment of your destiny is what is happening today, guys. So life is not working in a cross purpose with you. It is the co-conspirator of your heart. So if you want that harmony, balance today in your circumstances, that peace and stillness, happiness, you just need to be aware of your present and embrace it with commitment from your heart, and take one step at a time. So that is going to make things easier for you, and that is the right way, and that will be the right way your life, your beautiful destiny will unfold in front of you, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. I hope you like this reading. If you do, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys, what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.